It's easier than ever, they say, to earn extra money on the side. I'm going to share with you 7 side hustles that you can start today from the comfort of your home and potentially make a full-time income. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just want some extra cash on the side, there's a side hustle out there for everyone who's willing to put the work in. Because it's important to understand that there is no get-rich-quick scheme out there, a magic formula that all of a sudden makes it rain cash on you. No, you want to make money, you need to work for it. Simple as. So without further ado, here are the 7 side hustles you can start today. Number 1. Content writing. If you're a skilled writer and can create engaging content, then becoming a content writer could be a great side hustle for you. Every business out there needs regular blog posts, social media posts, or even updating the content on their website. And guess what? They're willing to pay for a good content writer. You can start by building your portfolio on freelance websites or reach out directly to the businesses. Number 2, sales copywriter. If you have the gift of the gab and can write compelling sales copies, this might be a way for you to earn some extra money. Like an example before, many businesses are looking for people who can write copies to sell their products or services and are willing to pay top dollar for it. And again, there's some great websites out there like Freelance and Fiverr. You can start building your portfolio, or once you've got some experience under your belt, you can really charge top dollar for it. Number 3, thumbnail designer. Did you know that YouTube thumbnails can make or break a channel? Even for me, the learning curve was very steep. That's why many content creators are willing to pay money for a professional thumbnail designer. If you're creative and have an eye for design, and more importantly understand people's psychology, this could be the side hustle for you. Here again, you can use the traditional websites out there and put your portfolio together, or you reach out to content creators directly and ask them if you can create some thumbnails for them for free in the beginning, and if they like the work, this is how a business relationship can get started. Number 4, website designer. In today's day and age, everything is happening online, and in many cases, your website is the first thing a potential client sees of a business, and therefore businesses are paying a lot of money for engaging and well-designed website. So if you're a little creative and have experience in web design, this could be something for you. Again, start small. Use these free websites out there to build a portfolio and then show them to as many clients and businesses out there as possible, and maybe a work relation can be established from there. Number 5, short form video editing. With the rise in popularity of TikTok and Instagram, and even now with YouTube Shorts, short form video editing has become more important than ever for video creators. So if you're interested and have experience in short form video editing, put a portfolio together and send it to content creators out there that you would like to work together with. And if they need for an editor, they will surely get back to you if they like what you've done for them. Now, this could also be applied for businesses in the niche that you're interested in. Number 6, the one-man video production agency. Very similar to our previous point, the video production agency is the real deal. If you have the equipment to shoot high-quality video content and then edit it to a very professional standard, there's businesses out there that are willing to pay for it. The market for video production really is extendable. It can be from weddings to personal events to professional events to business content on websites. You pick your niche that you are the most interested in, specialize in it, and reach out to the people. Number 7, solopreneur personal assistant. There's a lot of one-man band businesses or solopreneurs out there that require personal assistants but can't afford to hire a full-time employee. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and have good communication skills, becoming a remote personal assistant to these sole traders could be a great way to make extra cash. Now, the trick here is to be really good at time management, because you want to be assisting multiple solopreneurs at any given time to maximize your earning potential. Whether you're interested in design, writing, or video production, there's a side hustle out there for most of the people. Let me know if you're doing any of the ones that I've listed already and it has worked out for you in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more content like this. And I will see you peeps in my next video. Peace out.